What is up, everybody? We're back with another video, Blaster Bro. Today we're playing Battlefield 6. Now I know I'm a little behind. I played Battlefield 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21, 24, the futuristic one, and then now Battlefield 6. And let me tell you, the graphics are insane. So, I have gotten used to it a little bit. I'm able to upgrade my weapon. So I guess we're just going to do casual battle royale. And let's see. You get to upgrade your career limits. You get to browse your modes. Like, for example, okay, I didn't know you can do like a shooting range while in matchmaking. But I have a laser and camouflage on this. And let me tell you, this gun is so advanced. I have like armor piercing rounds. So, and we're already starting. I didn't even get to showcase that much, but you'll see. I don't have an extended magazine yet, which is what I want, because it shoots very fast. Like, I think it's full auto. So I lose like 30 bullets in like 30 seconds. I'm very good with enclosed spaces, like inside of a building, or a marked perimeter limit. I'm really good at those, but not like a full-scale map.
Are you guys bots?
I am level 9, he's level 8.
Damn!
So also you can do cars, you can do like machine guns. If you know how to play Battlefield games like Call of Duty, you know what I'm talking about. It's kind of self-explanatory because I'm not that well yet. So basically, if you play Fortnite before, there's usually a party leader. They mark where you're gonna go. You follow where they jump or deploy. I am the jump leader. So, that's new. I deploy right now. We're gonna go to 2. But you start out with a gun. You gotta get, you don't spawn with your weapon. I don't know which game mode it is you spawn with your weapon. With your, like, actual rifle. But this one, you use random rifles. This one looks pretty strong.
Bound over to that location.
Got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
So these underground bunkers are really good with, like, weapons. Look, see? This is a hand grenade, grenade intercept system. A motorcycle! I've never seen that before. Alright, we're gonna switch that out. Assault rifle kit. I think that gives me ammo, right? And then you get armor. Oh. Okay, we have a rare carbine rifle. And no, I am not communicating with other players, because doing so and recording at the same time is way too confusing. Oh, here's an exit. There it is. Okay.
Help's on the way. Watch their back.
Very high up. Oh yeah. Protect. Okay, we started an enemy beacon. I don't know what that is, but we just gotta wait. What's this? Custom. Okay, we're gonna get in. Drive this.
Hey, good job.
Drive this.
That beacon gives us help.
Now what?
Now keep it slow.
Oh,
Moving too
okay.
fast breaks the calibration.
Can I be guarded at least?
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
Hurry! Let me build a barrier. Yes. We did it! Airstrike? Oh, I'm taking that.
Mission complete.
I am saving that, like, nuclear strike for last, bro. Come on, bud. Hey, hey, enemy! Oh, never mind.
Battle's just heating up. Get in the fight.
Go, go, go! Watch, hold on. This is a ladder. Watch that. See that? Let the magic work. We're on the edge of the map. I don't like this. I don't like this. Can I collect this? Pick up, yeah.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Invalid target? How do I... Come on, work!
Position marked. Scale fire. Go on.
Hey, Fern.
Say goodnight, baby! Oh shit, I died.
Deploy is good to go. Don't let anyone hit
Thank you so much, bro.
You're a lifesaver.
Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
No! Damn it. I thought that airstrike would work. What kind of airstrike is that? Okay, that was close. That was very close.
Cock and lock. Heading back in.
So redeploy tower is where if any other gangs, like if your team is still alive, they can redeploy you if you die. Close range, we're dead.
Only one team stands between you and victory. Take them out.
Got him. Got one kill. Go. In a battle royale match is full.
Down to the wire.
We did it. We did it.
To your way.
GG's, boys. We did it. And at the end of each round, you get a reward for something. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Okay, I get a new rank. I get a drone. Okay, but now we're gonna upgrade. I'm gonna show you what upgrading a weapon looks like. You go here. This is my gun. It's camo. It's a modded gorilla.
A few moments later.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. I want to show you guys what close range is. I don't know which map has it now that I have to pay. So I'm gonna Google it real quick. Okay, I figured it out. It's called Gauntlet.
Act smart and stay in it to win.
See, oh, I love this. This is so close in range. I love this. See,
There's locator beacons out there. Grab as many as you can. Watch your six while they decrypt.
my man is already down.
I got you.
That was the longest EpiPen revive ever, bro.
Teammate has
It's a diesel bike. Rolling on 95. Oh, I got your ass. I got your ass, boy. I ain't gonna be here for long, bro.
Alright, squad mate just calibrated.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, come on. I almost got him. Oh, fuck! Oh, that scared me. Oh my gosh. I hate when it's like silent, because then you have no... Help! There's a guy with a PC up there. How? How? I shot him 5 times.
I knew you had my back.
Oh, motherfucker. I swear this game is pissing me off. That is so stupid. Alright, I'm gonna kind of go behind the map.
Bruh.
I just blew that thing up. There's someone behind here.
I'm hit. Medic.
This is actually harder than I thought it would be. I want to go, so my strat is you go like along the edge of the map. They are not going to expect that. Oh my fucking, I fucking give up. What are we doing here? We just...
Nice.
Oh, okay, I see what you're doing.
Calibrated another beacon.
Now I'm along the edge of the map. This should be easy.
Shut up. Solid execution.
But we're extracting like hard drives. Keep running. Shit, we got a sniper. No. Go. Ah! Bye, buddy. No! Oh, thank God. Go. Hurry. Go! Fudge! Oh, I did it.
That enemy shooter has data drives. I'll turn into them to see what I can find. Shut up.
Get out of here. Oh shit.
Clock's ticking. You better focus if you want to stay on mission.
Oh, they just got bombed. Oh my gosh, what the heck, where are you guys going? They're all right here.
On mission.
Oh shit. We did it. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.